Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your Android phone identical to an iPhone with the iOS operating system. As you can see, my cell phone is from the Xiaomi brand, and it doesn't matter what brand your cell phone is, as long as it's Android you can already make this appearance modification. Before we start the video, I would really like to ask for your subscription and your like on this video. This helps me a lot to bring more videos like this to you. Let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is open our cell phone's app store and search for this application, which is called iOS 18 Launcher. It will allow your cell phone to look identical to the iPhone even though it is on an Android operating system. Once you find the application, click Install and wait for the installation. Once we install the application, click Open. The application will ask you for some permissions and you will accept the permissions. After that, exit the application and go to your cell phone settings. Once you open your phone's settings, go to the search bar and search for Home or Home Screen. This is where you will select which home menu you want to use as standard. As you can see, my home menu is the factory default, the Poco launcher. I'm going to click on this option and select the launcher that we just installed, iOS 18. Once you select the iOS 18 launcher, you can return to your phone's home screen, and your phone will ask you what your default home menu screen is. Select iOS 18. Now your phone is identical to an iPhone. The icons, wallpaper, and menu physics have changed to be identical to the iOS system. You can still change the wallpaper and icons if you want. You can customize it the way you want. If you don't like it, you can simply uninstall the app, or go to settings and select another default menu. And the video ends here guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye.